shovel is going to be used to level out the bottom of the trench that we have. Currently we're 125 feet. We got about 75 feet left to go. We are 4.5 feet deep. And if you look, you can see that at the bottom there are these little peaks and ditches. That's what I'm going to be leveling. I'm going to be using the tractor to hammer this pole in. We'll show you the finished product. So we're almost done with the trenching, of course. We're about that close to the line. There you go. About 200 feet of dirt. Scooped up forward to the side, and also we got a little wind here. But as you can see, there's the line. Some old barbed wire. Just look at that. Just look at that. It's just incredible how long we've been working on this, and it's finally about to be done. The pole we got in is now this sign. I'm not sure exactly what we're going to do with that yet. I'm currently attempting to build a 3-point hitch, but the rest of it needs the tractor, so I'm waiting for that to get finished up using that. And I believe that's all for today. Making the final move. I think second to last. He's currently grabbing the dirt underneath with the back side of the shovel and pushing the tractor backwards. That's what we've been doing for 200 feet. There's gonna become a excavator. All wheels off the ground, scooping up dirt. And yeah. Now just imagine that, but 200 times longer. And that's this whole thing. It is done. Kind of looks like the Grand Canyon instead of a trench, but oh well. It works.